Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And now all we have to do is simply find the settings icon, which is right here, so let's tap on it. On the very first position we've got languages, so let's tap on it. And here, in order to add new one, just tap on add keyboard. And now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, so I'm sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. Here we've got the suggested languages, and here we've got the list of all of them. Let me pick, for example, maybe Arabic. Simply tap on the language you'd like to use. If you can, just choose the region, for example this one. Here you can choose the keyboards, and if you're ready, tap on done. As you can see, this language has been immediately applied to our list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. So I'm not really sure if you've noticed it, but we've got two differences. First of all, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the languages. So now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. So after tapping on it again, I can type in English. So actually this is how to add a new language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you don't need two languages applied. So just go back to the languages, and here we have to tap on this edit icon. Now let's tap on the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English right now, and after getting back, you can see that the spacebar is empty and we have no globe icon, so it means that from now on we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.